Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As you can see here, we are in active hours trading, and you can see as well up on top, one of the worst one-day trading sessions ever in the portfolio. Currently down 3.72%, $6,600 currently. You can see it's kind of going up and down there as the trading continues, but definitely one of the worst trading days ever in the portfolio. If we take a look down in the stock holdings, we'll see exactly why that is. You can see here in the middle of the screen, one of the most volatile holdings in the portfolio, and unfortunately one of the larger holdings as well, Portola Pharmaceuticals, PTLA, 847 shares currently. And you can see on the right there, currently down about 18 to 19%. Take a look at the stock itself. You can see here from pre-market trading down quite considerably here, 11 to 12%, and then you can see here at one point down almost 19% during early morning trading. A lot of this has to do with its recent earnings report. If you take a look at the bottom of the portfolio, Q2 earnings here, Q2 2018, expected $1.49 in the negative. The actual was 1.61. So that really doesn't explain a lot of the movement in the stock. It does explain a little bit of the movement, but the big problem with the stock is that it's a small cap company. As you can see here, $2.48 billion for its market cap. And this is a company that's in its infancy. It's a fledgling pharmaceutical company that has a couple different products that it currently has that have been FDA approved. One of the products is in the early ramp up for production. Unfortunately, the sales were a little bit lackluster, and because of that, there's been a large sell-off by the institutional investors who hold this stock. About 93% of the stock is institutional investors. Retail investors hold a very small fraction of this stock. So that large 18 to 19% sell-off today is because of the large institutional investors. I still like this stock. As I've said in my prior videos, investing in small tech pharmaceutical companies, biotech companies is very, very risky. And you can see that the volatility is quite remarkable as well. Again, 19% today. And if you take a look at the past 1 year as well as 5-year holdings, you can see that very large up and down pattern. The volatility in this stock made quite a bit of money during the initial holdings, jumped into a lot of my holdings under $20, as well as under $26 or so in this little plateau here. Made quite a bit of money here. I have a video posted, 10,000 one-day profit. And at one point, the stock did get up to $65, but you can see here it's been trending down. And again, some volatility here over the past few months of trading. Over the 1 year graph, you can see here it's down 48.76%. So the risk of biotech companies, small tech biotech companies, $2 billion market cap for this company. Again, Q2 earnings a little bit under the expected earnings per share, but a lot of this has to do with its pipeline drugs, FDA-approved drugs that have been not exactly selling the way a lot of the large investors would like. I do believe there is some value in this company. I think this is a prime buyout target. One of its pharmaceuticals that's currently in development that has not been currently offered for sale yet is a breakthrough drug. There's no other drug in its class. I think this is a drug that every hospital is going to need to stock in its pharmacies. So I think this stock is probably an $80 stock or so, but it just depends on when it's going to get up to that particular point. I was hoping within the next year or so, but with the revelations today that it is going to be probably a 2 to 3 year ramp, that's really what's causing a lot of these investors to jump out of the stock at this point. But I don't think it's a bad stock to get into. Also, just want to highlight here a new menu on the Robinhood platform here, Analyst Ratings here. Not quite sure how much stock I put into this. You can see here it's currently a very strong buy based on 7 analyst ratings here. 86% buy, 14% hold. None are recommending on a sell for this particular stock. But again, high risk, high reward with small tech, biotech stocks. So I just wanted to go through the portfolio to show you guys one of the worst days ever trading in the portfolio. Again, if we go back to the main screen here, you can see in the red by quite a large margin here. Currently $6,500 in the red, 3.67%. I think this is probably one of the largest, if not the largest, red day ever in the portfolio. So just wanted to give you guys an update on the portfolio. Do apologize, have not been putting out videos on a daily basis. I've been under the weather over the last couple of weeks or so, but hopefully for the next few weeks I'll start putting out regular videos on a daily basis. So again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have comments on this video, other videos, please leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.